Today we're talking about eustress versus distress as a model for exercise. Eustress is a type of exercise that you easily recover from. So that's your typical go to the gym, lift weights, exceed your capacity a little bit, maybe you're sore for a day or two. That's a typical eustress model. Distress is something like doing HIIT training in a fasted state. If you're adapted to burn carbs for energy and you go in a fasted state, you are forcing your body to burn fats while doing something high intensity. That is a distress exercise. There is a time and place for this, but most of your training, if not all, should be in this eustress. I would say less than 10% can be in distress. If you're an athlete, you don't want to do this type of training in season. You put that in your off season. One reason to do this is if you want to run the backup generator. So in other words, if you are adapted to burn mostly carbs, sometimes it is a good idea to sort of flip the switch, turn on the fat burning so that you have the ability to be metabolically flexible. Now remember, the equation for adaptation, that's what we want, is stress plus recovery. You should think of it as you apply the stress to recover to get better, stronger, faster. What we see is too many people spending way too much time over here and they're breaking down. That's why I have a job as a physical therapist. There's too many people who are prioritizing this and not spending enough time over here, and we're getting injury.